Look at what the Easter Bunny left.
Let's go see.
Let's go see. Alright, let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. Uh-oh, it's stuck.
You're stuck?
Wow.
What's in there? That's for you from the Easter Bunny.
What is it?
It's your Easter basket.
Ooh. Wow. A butterfly.
It's a crayon.
It's a crayon. Get to color with it on a coloring book.
What else is in here though?
That's a butterfly. Well. You gabba.
Yeah. Those are for your bathtub, huh? Those look like bath squirters.
They're for the bathtub fun?
No, yes. It's flat, Bobby, and no. Tootie, what?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Let's wait for you. Give it warm.
Oh, it's that's candy.
I want to eat candy. Let's open it. You open it, Mama? Yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
Sweet.
Yes.
I love you, Bug.
Sweet. Yummy.
Of course I love you.
It's
Always.
the chocolate cream.
What else is in your basket?
See the movie.
It's not on yet. The Easter Bunny wants you to open all your basket.
Come look at all your other stuff.
No.
You got an Easter bunny.
Huh.
Give a big hug.
Aww.
And what else is in here?
Ooh.
What's this?
What is it?
I'm not sure.
It's an Easter piñata for you.
What?
For me?
Yeah, from the Easter Bunny.
For the Easter Bunny. For the Easter Bunny. Yeah.
You're so cute.
It's stuck.
You gotta open it.
How do you open it?
You tear it open.
Just
How's-
Pull it. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. That was perfect.
Pushed it.
what are these? Dot to dot polka dot chalks.
Chocolate chalk.
Oh, sidewalk chalk.
A side chalk?
We get to draw in the driveway with that? How fun.
Happy birthday.
Happy Easter.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy, yummy. Tummy.
What is this? Is it? It looks like some kind of bathtub puzzle game or something. Oh, yo, gabba gabba.
You want to open it together? Happy Easter, Dad.
Happy Easter, Layla.
Happy Easter, Mama.
Happy Easter, baby.
For me?
Oh, yep, all for you.
You're Sniffy.
The Easter Bunny sure knows you well. Getting you GABA stuff and candy. There's more stuff in here. Pull it, Layla. La.
Ready? Whoop.
Whoa.
Well, there we go. Okay.
Okay.
Pull that one. Pull this one. Whoa!
Whoa, keep pulling.
Pull!
Keep pulling. There you go. Good job.
You could probably roll it into the kitchen.
I just kick her.
Yeah, keep unwinding it.
I got ball. Like a fake.
I think you should keep unwinding it.
There's stuff inside there. You gotta
Roll
open
towards
it.
the kitchen like this. Roll it towards the kitchen. Here, watch. Ready? Here, help me pull. Look, I think there's candy in there. Yeah,
The egg.
I think there's candy in there. You gotta keep pulling it.
There's surprises in it. Oh, you gotta start unwrapping it.
Wedges.
It is a present.
It's yummy. Yummy.
And what else is in there?
Oh, here's something else.
I'm sipping out.
What's that?
Wow.
What's in there?
Officer.
Oh, a little ducky.
That's on There's a little friend.
A little friend.
There's a Oscar.
You do this one.
Iris.
Mm-hmm.